Hello, my name is T.R. Welling. I'm going to talk to you today about Erdology. Erdology is a scientific concept that is both a combination of ancient technology and modern technology, modern mathematical concepts. Erdology began as a format of mixing what I understood about modern mathematics, academics, scholastics, and the like, and what I have been able to rebuild for the last 40 years of ancient technology, specifically the Old Kingdom of Egypt, the builders of Stonehenge, and the like. First rule of mathematics, measure to and from fixed points. Second rule of mathematics, measure to and from fixed points. The Earth rotates on a 24-hour basis. That's a fixed point. The Earth rotates in a 365.4-day orbit around the Sun. Those are two fixed points. Each of the fixed points involved with both of those structures, the orbit, the day and the orbit, those fixed points are everything that Erdology is, because everything involved with that happens within those two concepts of fixed points is what Erdology is about. It's studying the movements within those two primary movements. The fixed points of midsummer, midwinter, the fixed points of midnight and midday. The fixed points that are all around, that are contained within those structures. Now there's 8 fixed points in a day and in a year. Midsummer, midwinter, midnight, midday, halfway between midnight and midday, dawn and dusk, and then the halfway between midnight and dawn, halfway between dawn and midday, and flip it, halfway between midday and dusk, halfway between dusk and midnight. Those 8 fixed points, they move, but they're fixed points. They're 100% dependable 100% of the time. They've been 100% dependable 100% of the time, for the last billions of years, and for the foreseeable billions of years in the future. They're 100% dependable, predictable 100% of the time. Measuring to and from fixed points. Erdology is all about measuring to and from fixed points. Everything about Erdology measuring to and from fixed points is also about the next point. Pre-Arabic number system, specifically the Elder Futhark. The Elder Futhark is designed in a calendar that is both a 24-hour day and a 24-month year. The 24-month year is divided into, using the Babylonian mathematics system that was also developed before Arabic number systems was created. So every character is a character A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Characters. Well, in the Futhark, it's F, U, T, H, A, R, K, G. Every one of those characters is of both a letter and a number at the same exact time. So every single thing that has a fixed point that you can measure to and from, what that fixed point is, where the next fixed point is, what's the distance, how much time does it take to get between point A and point B, so on and so forth. All of those numbers convert to letters. All those letters convert to a word alphabet soup. When you start having sequential concepts of letters, when you can predict the presence of letters. I'm 48, which means that I have the letters of U and D. 100% predictable 100% of the time. Every person who's 48 years old has U and D as their age association. Every 48 will be U and D, because it's the two characters that go along with. Those characters are 100% predictable 100% of the time. Whenever you see 48, you're going to see it's going to be U and D. So every time you have repeat characters, you're going to have words. Whenever you have large sequences of repeat words, there is either very, very large words, or it breaks into a sentence. Sentences make paragraphs, paragraphs make chapters, chapters make large collections of complex information. Erdology is about finding out what that information is.